Morning, Happy New Year to you all. Hope you all had a good Christmas. We're back out here now in January. It's the 7th now. Not a lot to do at these sites, so we've got a brand new bit of kit on demo. I'll just spin you around and show you this from Trackmaster. So we've got their Bluebird SHL-1000 chipper. So a couple of features on this that I like. There's handles here for when you're moving it around. This can be folded up to save a little bit of space. Emergency stop there. You've got on the shoot, it doesn't just shoot out. Obviously you can adjust the angles. You can also loosen this one off and shoot left or right. So if you're shooting into the back of the van or the back of the trailer, you can do that as well. Some don't have that, but this one does. Other than that, I think we better get chipping now. We've got a couple of the other Bluebird bits here. I previously, a few visits ago, cut some budliers down, so we've got a load of waste stacked up just through here. So we'll set you up now and get this all chipped up and see how it performs. So we've got our safety helmet on, eye protection and ear protection is needed. So let's get this fired up. Choke on, bit of throttle. So, pretty impressed with that. It's not cut out, the chute hasn't clogged, chipped up really nice. See here. We'll keep this here for a little while and then we will shovel that out on the flower beds in a little while. Yeah, it's taken some big stuff. I'm not actually sure of the capacity of the chipper, but everything I've put at it this morning, it's taken. So the whole pile of what was here has now disappeared. We're just gonna trim some bits off this budlier, get that chipped here, then we're going to take the chipper around to the car park and we will get another budlier there chipped down, and then we're done at this job. So we're round here at the car park now. I'm going to leave the chipper this way so I don't take up too much room in the car park, and we will loosen these nuts off if I go the right way, and then shoot that straight in there. Really like that feature, being able to turn it, it's not just straight out. So the plan over here is basically snip this buddleia back and get that all chipped up. So we're going to use the Bluebird pruners from Trackmaster. Make sure you go and check them out. So, all chipped up now, chipped really well, all of that gone, a little bit of blowing left to do. Just want to add, this has got really big, sort of wide off-road tyres, so it is heavy. Right, it's a heavy bit of kit, but it is pretty easy to move around. You are going to need ramps getting it in and out of the van, but yeah, overall, really good machine, happy with that. I'll try and get some other videos up where we're using this just to do a bit more, like sort of got a few Laurel jobs to do, and maybe we'll try and get a few other sort of things through it and see what it can really take. But yeah, thank you all for watching, just a quick one today. And thanks for all the new subscribers. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe. Any questions about the chipper, get them down below, and we'll see you in the next one.